We'll use the impulse-momentum relationship to find the average thrust of a model rocket. Here's the problem. A model rocket expels 50 kilograms of exhaust gas at a speed of 800 meters per second relative to the rocket over 2.0 seconds. Part A. Using the impulse-momentum relationship, determine the average thrust produced. Part B. Propose one practical way to increase the thrust. First, recall that the thrust is equal to the rate of change of momentum of the exhaust. That is, force equals the mass flow rate times the exhaust velocity. Now substitute the numbers. The mass flow rate is 50 kilograms divided by 2.0 seconds, which is 25 kilograms per second. Multiplied by 800 meters per second gives 20,000 newtons. For part B, one practical way to increase thrust is to increase the exhaust velocity or the mass flow rate. Both will raise the thrust. The key idea is that thrust equals the mass flow rate times the exhaust velocity.